Good morning, students. We'll start with chapter 7 of geography, natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife. So we have already discussed many of the topics of this chapter. We already discussed about forest, and in that tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest and temperate deciduous forest. These all we have already discussed, right? Now we will go ahead with the topic Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean vegetation or Mediterranean forest. So these forests are found in the areas southwest, southwest USA, southwest Africa, southwest in South America, southwest Australia, then you have Italy, Spain, South France, Portugal, Greece. So if you see, these forests are mostly found in the southwest side. Southwest. Who is this? I don't want any kind of videos. Stop your videos just now. No video should be there. Disable your videos. So if you see the Mediterranean forest are mostly found in the southwest areas. And if you see the temperate evergreen forests are mostly found in the Southeast Asia areas. So temperate evergreen forests are found in Southeast areas. If you talk about Mediterranean vegetation, they are found mostly in the Southwest area. So Southwest USA, Southwest Africa, Southwest South America, Southwest Australia, Italy, Spain, South France, Portugal, Greece. These are the areas where you can find Mediterranean vegetation. Okay? Now we will discuss about the characteristics of Mediterranean forests. So these forests grow well in the dry summer and wet winter regions. Dry summer and wet winter regions. In these areas they grow well. Okay? Where you have the dry summer and wet winter. That kind of areas, Mediterranean vegetation grow well. These forests, the trees of this forest forest. Temperate deciduous forest, those trees which are found in temperate deciduous forest, they also have broad leaves. The same way the Mediterranean forest leaves are also broad. Okay? They have thick bark and wax-coated leaves. Now, if you see, they grow well in the wet winters, right? Now, in wet winters, you can understand that means the trees are always wet. In that case, what will happen? They will wither, right? They will wither. So, to protect them from this wet winter, they have wax-coated leaves which help them to protect themselves in wet winter. Also, the parts which they have are very thick, which protect them by the wet winter. Okay. These forests are called orchards of the world. Now, what do you mean by orchards? Anyone? Do you know the meaning of orchards? What are the orchards? Garden. Ahana has given answer garden, but it is not actually only the garden. Garden means you can have flowers also, everything can be there in the garden. So that doesn't make orchard. Orchard means Ankesh has given the correct answer, growing fruits in a certain area. Yes, the garden, if you can tell it a garden, but that garden should have the fruits, trees of fruits. Okay, then it will become orchard. Now, it is called orchard of the world. So with the name only you can understand that fruits are grown in these forests. Fruits grows better in this forest. So, if you read about vegetation, we have variety of citrus fruits. Variety of citrus fruits. Do you know citrus? What do you mean by citrus? So in citrus fruits, you will find grapes, oranges, etc. As well as you will find olives, thick, pines, fir, cedar, etc. So these are the vegetation of Mediterranean forests. So you will find the citrus fruits like grapes and orange. Also you will find olives, fig, pines, fir, cedar, this kind of vegetation in this forest. Now when we talk about the wildlife, we'll find golden eagle, spiny mouse, wild goat. These kind of animals you can find. So you can find golden eagle, spiny mouse, wild goat. These kind of animals can be found in Mediterranean vegetation. So lotus. So they always remain in water, and because of that, to protect themselves from water, they have wax-coated leaves, right? So if water will go on those leaves, it will not absorb. The leaves will not absorb the water, and it will just flow out from the leaves. That kind of quality the water plants are having. The same quality these Mediterranean forest plants, trees are having the same quality. They have wax-coated leaves because they grow in the wet winter regions. Okay. Also, they are called orchards of the world because there are fruit trees which are found here. So in that you will find orange, grapes, these citrus fruits are found in this forest, and that is why they are called orchards of the world. Okay. Also you will find olives, fig, pines, firs, cedar, etc. These kind of trees also you will find. So this is about the Mediterranean vegetation. Now we'll move towards the coniferous forest. What is there in the coniferous forest? So we have coniferous forest, which is next. Now these coniferous forests are found in the northern hemisphere. You would be knowing about the hemispheres. Our Earth is divided into by the equator through the equator. When you go towards North Pole, you have northern hemisphere. When you go towards South Pole, you have southern hemisphere. Okay. So they mostly grow in the northern hemisphere. Okay. And in this they grow in the 50 degree to 70 degree latitude. 50 degree to 70 degree latitude. Between these latitudes, these coniferous forests grow. So where is this 50 to 70 degree latitude? So this is the Earth, this is equator. Okay? Now here it will go 10, 20, 30, 40, 80, it will go. Okay? So somewhat here you will have 70 degree, 60 degree, 50 degree. Okay? Now if you remember 66.5 degree, 66.5 degree, you have Arctic Circle. You have Arctic Circle in the north. Okay? So if you see, these forests grow near the Arctic Circle. Near the Arctic Circle. Okay? So these forests somewhat grow near the Arctic Circle between 50 degree and 70 degree latitude. Now, near the Arctic Circle, if you remember, here we have freezing zone. Beyond Arctic Circle, we have freezing zone, which is very, very cold. Right? The coldest area of the Earth, coldest region of the Earth. Here you have the hottest region near the equator. This is tropical region, tropical zone, which is hottest region. Then you have temperate one, you have moderate temperature, average area to hold a climate to grow, and they are getting that climate here. If you will look into the world map, take out the world map and see. When you go, see, if you can see this one, so this is the equator, and when you talk about the world map, see, in the northern hemisphere you have more land mass if you compare to southern hemisphere. If you go to Antarctic circle, you will find very less land mass. So where the forest will grow, Ahana? When you are talking about why it grows in the northern hemisphere, so first of all, it grows into 50 to 70 degree latitude, and with that latitude you can understand that they grow in the cold region. Okay, they grow in the cold region. Now this is the northern hemisphere, and if you take a world map, you will find that you have land mass into Arctic circle. Near to the Arctic circle, you have land mass. But when you go to southern India, near to the Antarctic circle, you will not find much land mass. That area is mostly covered with ocean. And forests cannot grow in ocean. Can they grow in the ocean? No. So that is why they grow in the northern hemisphere, because the climate which they need, the cold climate which they need, is found near the Arctic circle, and that area is having land mass. Okay. So Ahana, am I clear with your question? Are you clear with this question? Have you understood why they grow in the northern hemisphere, not in the southern hemisphere? Take a world map, Ahana. Look into the book, into the world map. You are having the book? So go through the world map. You have the world map here. This is the world map. I don't know if it is visible or not. These forests need, these forests grow somewhat here, near to the Arctic circle. This is the Arctic circle. And here somewhat it is Antarctic circle. Near to the Antarctic circle, there is no land mass. Land ही नहीं है, तो forest कैसे grow करेगा? Where forest will grow in the southern area? In the northern area, near to the Arctic circle, 50 to 70 degree latitude, there is land. That is why the forest can grow in the northern hemisphere. But when they will find the climate, in the cold climate they grow. So when they will go to 50 to 60 degree southern hemisphere, they will not find the land mass. So where they will grow? They will grow on the land only, no? They cannot grow in the ocean. Right? That is what I am telling. Is this clear to everyone now? So this is the reason, because they grow in a specific area. Every forest, if you see, they grow in a specific area. They grow in that specific area because the climate, the temperature, the rainfall which they need, that they get in that specific area. That is why they grow. Now these forests grow in the cold area, cold climate. So that is why they grow in the grow near to the Arctic circle, which is 50 degree to 70 degree latitude. In between 50 to 70 degree latitude. Now, when we go to southern hemisphere, in 50 to 70 degree latitude, there is no land mass. Very less land mass is there. That is why they cannot grow in the southern hemisphere. Okay. Now, we will. Okay. So, all Russian word and it means pure or untouched. Why now these forests are called pure or untouched? So you have less, what do you say, less population in the areas where these forests are found. Okay, and that is why they are called like this. Okay. Now next is these forests have straight and tall trees. These forests have straight and tall trees. Now the leaves of the forest are small and they are middle-like. Leaves of the forest trees are small and they are like middle. The wood of these trees are used to make paper, matches, furniture. Okay. So, if you see these forests are called taiga, which is a Russian word, which means pure or untouched. These forests have straight and tall trees, and the leaves of the trees are very small and it is like middle. So, and the wood of these trees are used to make paper, matches, and furniture. Now, when we talk about the vegetation, we have lard, fir, spruce, pine, and cedar. These are the trees which are mostly found in these forests. Now, the wildlife. So you will find mink, polar bear. As we discussed, these are the cold climate areas, cold regions. So you will find polar bear, you will find silver fox, sapper, beaver, reindeer, caribou, mouse, rabbit. So these kind of animals which you find in the cold regions, those forests you can, those animals you can find in the coniferous forest, right? The animals which we find in the cold regions. So till here we have discussed Mediterranean forest and coniferous forest. Is there any question till now? We have completed the topic forest. So now we need to start the grasslands. We will start it tomorrow. The grassland will start tomorrow. In the forest, we have discussed all the 6 forests. Is there any confusion in any of the forests? You may ask. Have you gone through the question, homework which I have given? Homework of Monday and Wednesday both has been updated in the application. Also, I have created assignment, right? That is also been done. So complete it. Dashera is there, but after Dashera you have PT also, PT 6. That is on 29th and 30th. You have your PT on 29th and 30th. Your holiday is till 27, 24 to